And a chopper hit towards third. Backhand grab by Lee. Long throw. And he got him at first. And Hao-Yu Lee off to a start already, trying to go back-to-back with our Holy Sheets play of the game.
Beautiful play by Hao-Yu Lee. And what impresses me most, how quickly he set his feet and made an accurate throw. And this was a bang-bang play at first. See the umpire hesitate for a second and punched him out.
Well, that's where Eduardo Valencia at first, that 6'2" frame for him. He's got that long reach, and it paid off there. First 6, batting 7th, the shortstop, Trey Cruz. Batting 8th, it's the DH, Riley Unroe batting. And the pitch will be high and outside. Making 1 ball, 1 strike on Hao-Yu Lee. Even on a peel down, ends up being a ball. Lee batting .241 on the year. He's got 14 homers, driven in 55. And he takes up high. He has had the most for Hao-Yu Lee. 2-1 pitch. He's going to take inner half, and it's going to be a ball. Caught that, Bruce. 77 runs this year. And he's going to take a strike. And the guy third in the league in triples is batting in the 5-hole.
Yep.
There's ball 4 and a leadoff walk for Hao-Yu Lee. That fastball misses. Good fastball. Good life from Franco. 95 on that heater. Power arm that has been more of a reliever. I mean, when you get to the former Hen, having a good year, .285 average, you're going to put a bunt down up the third base line. That's going to work perfectly. As Valade is out at first. Good play by Hao-Yu Lee. He does advance the runner.
See how they score that if it's...
I think, yeah, they're going to put it sacrifice bunt. That's a full sacrifice. Yeah, he squared around a bunt, put it down. Now, he may have been trying to bunt for a base hit, but it's going to go in as a sac.
Almost had himself a base hit right there. Great play by Hao-Yu Lee.
The pitch from Domnack. Slow roller towards third. Grabbing that is Lee. He's got all kinds of time to throw across. He does. 5-3 for the out. 1 up. Hao-Yu Lee to lead off in the 3rd inning, and he's going to take a first pitch strike. Lee walked to open the bottom of the 1st inning. That's when the Mud Hens left the bases loaded, all on walks. The 0-1 to Lee is wide to make it 1-1.
Just like he did in the 1st.
And he's going to drive this one in the air to left field. Coming in and making the grab is Rodriguez. Kind of a late break, but... And the 2-1. That one's going to be grounded slowly up the third base line. They got no shot to get lines. That is a swinging bunt.
Absolutely. And when you're going good, you're going good. And Louisville... I think Malloy would deserve a look for sure.
Grounder to third. Lee's going to look the runner back. Then he's going to fire across. Vlade's going, and the throw down not in time. Ooh, boy, he gave him a look. To 9 runs.
It was 2-2. I didn't turn the car on or the radio on the way home. Got home, looked at my phone immediately, and it was like 12-2, and I was like, what?
Yeah, they full on exploded. Went down to talk to Gabe Alvarez. He had the game on. It was just runs after runs. The pitch is swung on and foul back to the screen. 0-2 pitch coming up to Lee is outside, making a ball and 2 strikes on how he develops that they can move him. Pitch low and outside. That was before they became Lorenzo's in Double-A. Top 100 prospect. Pitch up and in to run it. 3-2 pitch. That is close. It's ball 4. He missed it a little low. Hao-Yu Lee, 2nd walk of the game for him. It's 1st and 2nd with 2 down. And it gives Akil Baddoo an opportunity to bat.
Matt, that was a very good bat from Hao-Yu Lee, and I'm going to tell you why. He laid off 4 sliders outside of the zone. That is the pitch he's been chasing lately and getting himself out on. That was a quality at bat.
Awesome work from him. The next pitch going to be a high bouncer towards third. Lee, backhand glove and fire over. Valencia had to reach up to grab it, but he did. And he came back down on the bag. 5-3, 2 up, 2 gone in the 6th for Jose Urquidy.
The other value of Valencia is he catches. Obviously, Detroit has 2 pretty.
And the pitch will be outside. You know, the Reds a couple nights ago had they were getting no hit, and they had a run on because of a couple of walks and a sacrifice fly. 1-0 is in there for a strike to make a lot of other things that can happen. 1-1 is grounded foul down the first base line. The 1-2. In tight, Lee backs away to make it 2 balls, 2 strikes. You know, could be a threat if they need him late in the game. 2-2 pitch, ground ball fair down the right field line off the bat of Hao-Yu Lee. He's thinking too as he takes a big turn. The throw to second, and they got him at second base. Reese Hines with a cannon from the right field.